Hey everyone, so we're in our cabin, so I just want to give you a brief look at all the little bits that help with space and storage in the cabin.
What you done in your room was very wonderful. So how to organize. This is very recommended for another cruiser.
Hey everyone, I'm on board Royal Caribbean Quantum of the Seas. I just wanted to show you some little storage tips that I've picked up. You know, over the amount of cruises that I've actually done now, I've found some little tips and tricks and things that I would make so much more space in your cabin. So this first little beauty that I've just bought off Amazon, so it was fold away. You put these little, you know, what do you call them, the bottom inserts in just to make it stable. And basically, Matt's just put all the camera gear, so it's really easy and accessible.
This has got everything in there. So I've got our camera gear, all our tech gear, power banks, our laptop chargers, our extra monitor. So we travel with a portable monitor, so that's there as well. Everything's set up. So on this cruise, Deb and I will be having to do some work.
Yes.
So while we're away, we need to be connected, we need our gear, we need to be sorted. We've been piling up more and more gear over time, and Deb's solved the
unfortunately, usually this whole desk and the top here just gets covered with camera gear, cords, so when you actually need to use it, it's just not utilizable.
It's not easy to use. You have to kind of unpack and pack every time, so it is only a small desk. So
this is a little beauty.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I love it.
No worries.
That's my gift on your birthday week.
There
cruise.
you go. Our next one, I've probably shown you this one also on other cruises that we've done, but again, just hangs over the top of the cupboard nice and easily. Oh, sorry. So you've got plenty of room if you had a wider door as well. So it gives you a lot of flexibility with that one. And as I said, you can use it for anything like, so obviously I'm going to put shoes in it, but underwear or jewellery, handbags, whatever you want would be absolutely fine. So this is another new one that I thought I'd give a shot on this cruise. Is like, where do you put your dirty laundry? Generally it ends up on top of clean clothes and it's just everywhere, especially with three of us in a room.
Are you trying to sort me and Noah out?
Yes, I am. Yes. So this is a laundry hamper. So I'm going to attempt to get the boys to throw their dirty laundry in here. But just as a little bit of a sidebar, if you're actually, you know, if you want to have one of these at home even, like look at this. You then got like your zipper, so you can open that and empty it straight into the machine or into a basket. I actually thought that was just really cool. Obviously not utilisable here. Word again.
Utilisable. What's this word that you're making up today, Deb?
We're just going to go.
Well, it would work on P&O because they've got the washing machines, which we don't have here.
Yeah, correct. This is true. It would.
Anyway, what else have we got?
And then I've got my normal handy dandy hooks. So
hooks and clips.
Hooks wherever you want them. I've just put them up.
What have you done here? There's three.
Yeah, my handbag had a bit of stuff in it, so it needed a little bit of reinforcing.
Okay, so you can do that. You can use multiple magnetic hooks to just increase the weight capacity.
Yeah, look, you know, so you can put them anywhere on your roofs, on your walls, everywhere. I've got, you know, these are our magnetic Deb Matt Chat clips. So that's just some extra cards there. I've just put a few around for the moment until I work out where I want to put things, but that'll be generally for when you walk in your door.
Just put our lanyards
Lanyards are on there, so you can't lose them and forget them and misplace them. Hey, honey. Wouldn't be like you to misplace.
Wouldn't be me.
And then I like to use them also for paperwork. So as we get paperwork through the cruise, I will utilise a few more. It wasn't utilisable, it was utilised. I will utilise more of those to hang the paperwork. So it just keeps it nice and clean. My wonderful cabin steward, Marwi, has just come in to clean our room. And we were just discussing what we've done in here to set up our room. So what do you think of all the bits that we've put in here?
Really, what you done in your room was very wonderful. So how to organize, how to because this room was it's a tiny room.
Yes.
So how you organize everything,
So,
you hang,
all the hanging.
the space, maximize the space what you have. So that's wonderful.
Yeah.
This is very recommended for another cruiser to cruising with the Quantum of the Sea. So
Yeah.
you know how its rooms the size is, so this is for the safety.
Yeah.
Safety. I mean.
Yeah, stops us tripping over things.
Exactly. It's everything you can organize when you enter the room, so you can unpack.
Yeah.
And put in closet, and then your
bags are all underneath.
Everything is fit under the bed. So
Yeah,
it's,
correct.
Good for your safety.
And does it help with you with cleaning as well?
Exactly.
You're not tripping over things.
Exactly. We're not tripping and not we not step on something maybe we didn't see, and
Yeah.
to avoid any damaged stuff for our guests.
Yeah, excellent. Oh, thanks, Marwi. We do appreciate all that you're doing for us. It's very
That's
much
my
appreciated.
pleasure. Thank you for
Thanks,
cruising with us.
Marwi. All right, we're actually in beautiful Port Vila today. So as you can see, I've constructed a clothesline here. So on other ships I've done it different ways with magnets and things like that, but because you've got these little wraparound tops of our balcony edges, and they've got those little clips on the end, I've just wrapped them around. There we go. They just hang beautifully, and literally within a few hours actually, especially being out here in the islands, they dry very quickly, and just everyone's not sort of tripping over things. So anyway, that's my little tips and tricks for some storage, and it's not just for Quantum of the Seas, which is what I'm on now, but absolutely, any ship, you just have to obviously work around what you've got in the room. But yeah, hope they might help you, but drop me a comment if you want to know any further information on where I got these things, and anything else you've got that you'd love me to trial, that'd be great. Let me know.
Yeah, I want to get your opinion, Deb, at some point on storage cubes, because I hate the bloody things. Those packing cubes.
Yeah, I know lots of people swear by them. Yeah, maybe we can trial it.
Again.
We've got a long cruise coming up at the end of the year, so we might trial it.
No.
I don't know how keen I am either.
No.
But anyway, no, thanks for watching that video. Like and subscribe. We'd love to get more followers, and just keep enjoying our videos, and let us know if there's anything you want to see. Thanks very much for that.
See you later.